Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be reviewing a brand new self tanner. I am so excited. This is the Salty Face Tanning Moisturizer. It's a gradual self tan for the face. I love Salty Face products, so when I saw that they came out with a new one, I ran to grab it so I could try it out with you guys. So it is going to be a very, very fun video. Before we get started though, please, as usual, give this a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Do not miss out on 3 videos a week. Please make sure to join the family. But if you want to see me review this new product, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alright guys, as you can see, my eyebrows are looking a little thicker than usual, I feel like. And it's because I got my eyebrows laminated. So they do look a little bit crazy out there right now, but bear with me. I am trusting the process. I think I'm getting kind of used to them, so they don't look as crazy to me right now. But yesterday when I got them, or not yesterday, 2 days ago, when I got them done, I was like, what have I done? So I think we're moving in the right direction. I did also get some hair extensions put back in, not necessarily for length, just for volume. So my hair is freshly done, my brows are freshly done, my tan is about to be freshly done. So it is a good day. So I am, as usual, just going to touch on some details with this product, and then we are going to try it out, see what it does, and then I'm going to let you know if I think it's worth your money. I think my lighting situation is a little bit better, but if it's not perfect, bear with me just a little bit longer, you guys. We are redoing our floors in the loft area where I'm going to be filming, and then we're redoing the floors in our bedroom, so the house is a little bit crazy right now, so just be patient with me a little tiny bit longer, pretty please. But I did my best to fix the situation, so I'm hoping it looks a little bit better as of right now. Anyways, back to this. So again, it's the Salty Face Tanning Moisturizer for the face. It is pricey. It goes for $48, so I would say for a facial self tanner, it's definitely up there. And you get 1.35 ounces, so you do get a little bit more than the standard 1 ounce size, but it's still a little bit pricey. And then the description says, a tan as effortless as a day at the beach, inspired by our tanning water. The tanning moisturizer is intentionally designed to be used as part of daily skincare routines. Use the tanning moisturizer in place of your daily moisturizer in the morning or evening as often as required to achieve your desired depth of tan. Tanning moisturizer comes in one universal shade that develops gradually. The depth of the tan is fully customizable based on how often it's applied. Formulated for all skin types with our most robust Skin Protect blend with ingredients such as red raspberry seed oil, green tea extract, and hyaluronic acid. This is truly skincare first tanning. That to me sounds amazing. And then it's vegan, non-clogging, certified Salty Face clean, safe for all skin types, cruelty-free, Salty Face Skin Protect blend. So all the things. And then the how to use, just shake the bottle, apply 2 to 3 pumps into your hands, and then blend it into the skin. And then obviously wash your hands right after. I also really love how on the website they have a step-by-step, like how to apply. It shows you little video clips in case you're someone that's newer to self-tanning and you need something like that. That's a really, really great feature. So I really love everything that this has to say right now. It just sounds amazing. So we are gonna unbox this and see what the product looks like. Love. Okay, this reminds me of a foundation. I can't put my finger on exactly which one. I can't remember, but it reminds me, like the color and the look reminds me of a foundation, and I am like loving it right now. Like, to me this looks, it's plastic, so it's very travel friendly, and for like a very hefty price tag normally, I'm like, it should be glass, it should be like an expensive looking packaging because the product is so expensive. But even though this is plastic, I do think it has like a very sleek, very luxe look to it, and I really, really love it. So thumbs up for that. And then I love this applicator. I love the fact that it squeezes out like a foundation would or a moisturizer, so it just kind of makes it easier to just pump it out into your hands and then rub together and apply. So I think it's very, very user friendly. I really like it. we're gonna see how much color it gets me. I'm gonna do a layer for you guys on camera, and then tomorrow I'll come back and show you kind of how much color we've gotten with this. So all that's left to do is apply, and then we'll talk initial details. So let's get started. Okay guys, I'm back. Here is the final look. If I looked crazy applying this onto my face, it's because, like I said, I got my eyebrows laminated, so I was trying so hard not to get this like right in where my eyebrows are. So I'm hoping I covered every area without like messing up my eyebrows, if that makes sense. I was just trying to be careful right there. I also was trying to be careful in my hairline because I just got my hair colored and done. So I'm a little bit of a hot mess right now, but oh my goodness, the first thing I did when I pumped this out into my hands was rub my fingers together and then smell it. I love the smell of this. It does have a subtle smell to it, but it's like a very like earthy, organic, almost like a little bit fruity smell. It's really, really good. You could barely notice it unless you're looking for it, but when you do smell it, it's really, really nice. Love the fact that it actually smells like clean and organic, if that makes any sense, but it just has a really, really nice smell to it. So no complaints there. The feeling of this on my face, you guys, it genuinely feels like skincare. Does not feel like self-tanner, does not feel gross. It just feels so soft and hydrating on my face, and I was really not expecting to love it that much, but as I was applying, I'm like, oh my goodness, this literally feels like silk going onto my face, and it looks that way too. Like, it is giving my skin the most beautiful glow. Like, I love that you can use this as a moisturizer in the morning or at night or whatever. I feel like I'm genuinely going to be doing that. Like, I was literally thinking that in the middle of applying this because I love the feeling it's giving my face, and I love the look that it's giving me, like the glow to my skin. And as weird as this sounds, it literally makes my pores look like they've disappeared. Like, it looks like it like airbrushed my skin. In a way, I am just obsessed with the way that it's looking. Don't have enough good things to say. Like, I am just obsessed. And obviously there's no color because it went on clear, so I'm gonna let this develop overnight to actually get the real benefit of what the color is. So far, I have nothing that I dislike about this. I love everything I've seen so far. I'm super excited to see the color that I get out of this. I'm not expecting it to be crazy dark since it is gradual, but like I said, I genuinely, as I was applying this on my face, was like, oh my gosh, I could so see myself using this every day. So I am in love so far. So I'm gonna let this develop, and then tomorrow, once it's done its thing, I'll come back, show you guys the final result, and then let you know if I think it's worth your money. So I will see you guys tomorrow. All right guys, I'm back. It's the next day. Here is my tan. Also not wearing my ring because we're going to the pool, just in case anyone is wondering, but I'm obsessed, you guys. Last night after I got off camera, I was just like doing my thing as usual. I put self tanner on my body, and then I was like doing some other stuff. I went to sleep, I woke up, blah, blah, blah. Such a comfortable self tanner for the face. It literally felt like I put skincare on my face. I put moisturizer on, and it just felt really good. Like, it didn't feel like I had something like sticky or gross on my face. I just loved the way that it felt. I also feel like it gave me some really good color for being a gradual tan. I will say it's subtle, but I can definitely notice the difference. Like, no splotchiness, no patchiness. It's so even, so natural looking. It's not clinging to any like drier areas of my face or making any certain spots darker than the rest. It just looks so natural. Like, this is hands down one of the most natural looking facial tans I've tried in a long time. So that's saying a lot. Like, I'm really happy with the result. Again, I do feel like if you want a lot of color on your face, obviously this will probably take a few tries to get there, but this is actually one that I'm not going to complain about that with, because I see myself using this every day as an actual part of my skincare, not just to get a tan, but you get that added benefit of it having the tanning properties in there. So I'm for sure gonna be using this on a daily basis, probably not twice a day, but at least like either in the morning or either at night. I just love the way it made my face feel and how it like made my face look and just everything about it. So I'm definitely going to be incorporating this into my skincare, and I'm going to use it as like a booster if I have like another facial self tanner where it gets me more color. I feel like this will be so good to help maintain that tan throughout the week. So I absolutely love this. Do I think it's worth that price tag? Absolutely, because I love the way that it made my skin feel. Look, I love the skincare properties, and I love that I actually feel like I'm going to incorporate this into my daily routine as part of my skincare. So it is a huge yes, but that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment and let me know what you think about how it turned out on me. Let me know what you like, what you don't. Let me know what else you want to see. Give this a huge thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel, but stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video.